Good evening, guys! It's already 9 in the evening. Ayan. Galing tayo ng night shift, so medyo kakagising lang natin. And right now, alam nyo ba, share ko lang sa inyo na we're currently working on our build contract. So meron akong build contract right now, guys. And then, because you know, this is very alien to me, I tried to look for a solicitor para i-review siya. Pero medyo natagalan tayo maghanap ng solicitor. And by the moment na nakakita na ako ng solicitor, sobrang mahal. Tapos, sabi pa doon na I can make it urgent, as an urgent request daw para sa aking contract na ma-review. Tapos may additional bayad na naman. So sabi ko, ay, teka lang, baka carry ko lang to. So nire-review ko ngayon yung contract. Let's see if meron tayong makita na red flags and whatnot. This is under HIA naman. So, yeah, hopefully, ma-understand lang natin talaga siya. So, I'm ready. I have my pen and paper. Kasi ang haba-haba niya. How many pages? 60 pages itong i-go through ko today, guys. That's what I'm gonna do right now. It's actually my first day off. And yes, we only have 2 days off. I have to do this today para bukas may freedom tayo na gawin kung ano mang gusto natin. Or, kahit wala tayong gawin, at least okay na. Natapos na natin siya.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that it was.
Guys, let's eat. Have a break. Have a pancit canton. Some kimchi. Come out. Come out, whoever you are. Here's our snack. Anong gamay na magiging? This is our plain bread. It's a good snack. Ito talaga yung mga very easy to prepare na mga snacks sa Pilipinas if ever gutom in the middle of the night. Like right now, what time is it? 12:29. Mag-Uber Eats sana ako ng Macas. Hindi mambet ni Michelle. This is actually way better than Macas. Sarap. Sold! Sold tayo. What is this bread? Brioche? Yeah. Ay, you know what? Ano perfect ito? We'll try some baby cucumbers din, ha? European style daw to siya. That's good. That's good combination. Alam niyo ano pa mas masarap siguro dito? Jalapeno. Masarap kasi na will make it interesting. Hindi lang plain ano ba? Sarap ha. I'll have more. Wait lang, binigyan ako ni Michelle ng bola-bola. Pansit kanto ng bola-bola. I finished everything except for this kasi sobrang heavy na. We're gonna add some... Uy, nag-vlog ko. We're gonna have some coconut water. This is from Gold. This is very cheap. Ano nga yung masarap, Michelle? Na brand?
Coco Bella.
Coco Bella. Yun yung maganda kasi very nutty ba? Ito, okay lang. 100% pure coconut water. Because hindi nag-work yung boiled, here we go! Meron tayong kamote cube. This time, hindi nasira yung ating
do the same thing you did with that.
Sweet potato.
A little bit more, yeah.
we're just doing our skincare and naisipan ko to use this one, the Skintific na Mugwort Acne Clay Stick. This one in green. Wait, kailangan natin ang hair clip. Oh, shit. Brani mo, girl. Klaro kay sa likod. Ang brani mo, klaro kay sa likod.
Sabi nga na, ano yung gamitin mo?
That's alright. Okay na. Okay. You bitch. This is actually pretty good. I also have a pink one na for brightening naman yun. Hindi ko dito tayo sa salamin para makita natin properly. And it's easy to glide lang siya. Very easy to glide. I bought this one sa Taiwan. And it's very cheap if bumili kayo doon. If I can remember, sinerch ko yung price dito sa Australia. And malaki yung difference. Yeah. Oy! Again, kita nyo naman, it's very easy to glide. There's also mga clay stick na available sa YesStyle. So I'm actually thinking of trying their products then. But this one is good. Spread lang natin ng konti. That's it. And we will wait for 20 minutes. And magiging brighter na yung ating mukha after nito. Shrek. And it smells so good. Let's go and watch more episodes. Nasobrahan na to ng ano guys. Nasobrahan na to ng 20 minutes. Feeling ko 40 minutes sa mukha ko. We're just watching a vlog kasi. Okay. So this is how our face looks like after that, and then I'm just gonna do my usual routine. You know my routine. So that's it for tonight, guys. I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. Bye! Guys, kakatapos lang ng ating work, and today I'm very happy, guys, kasi ay! Charis, OA. Wait, sabi. God, grabe naman talaga. Wala naman talaga tayong tulog. So happy, guys, kasi today ang dami talagang naganap. Yung nabili ko yung land, of course, ibang ano yun, ibang bank yun. Ito namang pag-build natin sa ibang bangko na naman. I don't know what's the main reason talaga. I just trusted my broker kung ano yung mas mainam na path. Basta yung akin lang talaga is dapat mag-combine sila. Kasi ayoko naman na paiba-iba ng bangko, no? Ang aking land at saka yung aking bahay. I'm so happy na natapos na nga siya. Pero ganun pala talaga yung process. Medyo matagal. Especially, tinransfer pa or clinose pa yung account ko doon sa previous bank. Tapos, transfer na naman dito. So, mga ganun-ganung bagay. But yeah, I'm just so glad. Kahit na wala talaga akong tulog ngayon. Kasi, coming from a night shift, ewan ko ba talaga, akala ko talaga normal na ako. Pero hindi talaga ako normal. Kailangan ko talaga ng medication para makatulog tayo. So, yesterday, chika na naman. So, yesterday, first afternoon shift ko yon after 3 weeks of night shifts. Alam ko talaga na magsastruggle ako. So, nag-medication ako. Ay, hindi pa rin ako nakatulog, guys. Hindi pa rin talaga ako nakatulog. Sabi ko naman, ayoko na mag-medication because the side effect of the medication medyo long-lasting sa akin. So, nung nag-take ako ng medicine, kahit nasa work ako, kahit proper yung sleep ko, that was like 8 hours of sleep. Pero, groggy pa rin ako. Konti lang naman from this medication. Konti lang compared to the melatonin. Konting grogginess pa rin yung nafe-feel ko. Sabi ko naman, baka mag-normalize na. So, hindi ako nag-medication yesterday. Kasi pangalawang afternoon ko na nga ngayon. Ay, hindi ma ako nakatulog, guys. Alam niyo ba anong oras na ako natulog? 9:30 in the morning. Tapos, yung duty ko, 2 p.m. 9:30 ako humiga. Kasi hindi talaga kumain na lang ako. So, mga 10 a.m. siguro ako nakatulog. Pero, Anyway, that's the life. But I'm just saying na I'm so glad na day off na ako after nun. Kasi pagod na talaga. That's why para bang yung natanggap ko yung news ngayon na okay na magsa-start na tayong mag-build pretty soon. So parang akong nabuhayan kasi parang sobrang weak ko talaga sa work. Tapos busy pa today. So ayun, nabuhayan tayo ng loob. And yeah, finally, na-share ko na din sa inyo kung ano bang inaantay natin. Bakit hindi pa tayo nag-update regarding sa ating house building. Super yun nga guys, yan yung inaantay natin. And it's finally happened. I'm gonna give you more updates soon. Pero ngayon, mag-chill muna ako. Magre-relax muna ako kasi pagoda si ating. Okay lang hindi matulog agad-agad kasi off naman tayo. Pero at least man lang, like at peace na ako na wala na-anxious din kasi tayo. Ako pala. Tayo pa. Na-anxious din kasi ako thinking about work na ba. Namu-work na ako. Tapos, lagi akong nagka-count ng aking lagi akong nagka-count kung how many hours na lang yung sleep na naiiwan ko. So, para bang, ewan ko ba, ang hirap talaga guys. Other people can't relate. Good on you. Pero, sa mga tao talagang nagsa-struggle sa pagtulog, suffering from insomnia, self-diagnose lang yan, pero it's very real to me. Anyway, I'm just gonna rest guys and hope to see you guys on my next one. Another update soon.